Listening to loud music can really hurt our hearing. But how much exactly, and how does it all work?
Sounds above 85 decibels can damage your hearing. Blasting music on headphones can reach 100 decibels or more. Our nerves, including auditory ones, are coated with myelin. This coating helps transmit sound signals to the brain. Repeated exposure to loud sounds can thin the myelin. This gap, called the node of Ranvier, is critical for fast signal transmission. When the myelin degrades, it results in delayed auditory processing and reduced sound clarity. Thin myelin can lead to hearing loss and tinnitus, which is ringing in the ears. Over time, it becomes difficult to understand speech, especially in noisy environments. Next, let's look at the damage to hair cells. Inside the cochlea of the ear, tiny hair cells convert sound vibrations into electrical signals sent to the brain. Loud sounds can damage or destroy these hair cells, leading to permanent hearing loss since these cells do not regenerate. High volumes can also cause direct nerve damage, impairing their ability to transmit sound effectively. Exposure to loud music can cause a temporary threshold shift, or TTS, a temporary reduction in hearing sensitivity which recovers after a period of rest. However, repeated exposure can lead to PTS, you guessed it, permanent threshold shift, which can result in chronic hearing loss. Loud noises can lead to the production of harmful free radicals in the inner ear, causing oxidative stress, cellular damage, and inflammation that contributes to hearing loss. Loud music can also alter blood flow to the cochlea, affecting its ability to function properly and potentially leading to long-term damage. To prevent such damage and preserve hearing function, it is crucial to limit exposure to high volumes, use ear protection in noisy environments, and take regular breaks to give ears a chance to recover. By being mindful of these practices, we can protect our hearing and avoid the long-term consequences of exposures to loud music. Remember, your hearing is precious. Take care of it and enjoy the sounds of life for years to come.